front of me is REALME GT Master Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by accessing Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type Magic Fluids. Then you need to download free Magic Fluid app from this developer and open it. Then click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Now choose I accept in this pop-up, and in those settings you can adjust your wallpaper however you wish to. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. Over here select Set as Live Wallpaper, choose Apply to Home and Lock, and go back. As you can see, my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!